map.
Yeah, sorry, it had too many buys. Definitely not as good as Ski Resort, but
Yeah, but that's hard to hard to
right.
combat. All right.
How do I become Mario?
Watch it just be that it doesn't work with other mods.
I doubt that.
Well, okay, just to test that.
No, don't go into shadows. Remember, I said it breaks on shadows. It
No, I
literally
thought that
said
was
that in the mod
fixed.
description.
I thought that was
I don't
maybe not. For some reason, I thought
pick
that was in the
pick
like
something
patch
else.
notes. I don't have anything else.
Or do you not have anything else? That's
Those all need to be downloaded.
yeah, that's true. Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
Kino is
pretty
just
sure
a
it said it breaks
really
on
solid.
shadows.
Let me check Steam.
Shadows of Evil does not work.
Oh, okay. For some reason, I thought it was like fixed things.
I don't know how to get it to work.
A lot of people asking, how do I activate it?
You don't. If trying to get a character in particular, use map rotate until you get them. If you don't use map restart.
Yeah. Select mods in the main menu and load it. If you don't see a yellow mod
Yeah,
loaded text in the top right, then you didn't load it.
that's what I was just looking at. Aha, loading.
Where was that?
Platformers back. In the main menu, it just says mods.
Oh.
Alright. Oh yeah. I think we're good now.
Alright. Minecraft.
Minecraft! You remember that? Were you part of that era of the internet? Did you watch Sky's Minecraft? Okay. Minecraft, we love Minecraft. Sorry, I'm cringe for this, but I'll say it all day. Gold butter?
Oh, heck yeah, get my camo Bowie knife. Yeah, brother. Alright.
It's installing it? Thought we were already, unless it's talking about the
Yeah.
Minecraft one.
Didn't have to go through a loading screen, strangely enough.
Yeah, actually.
Have more hours in Minecraft than
So
G.
I'm not going anywhere.
Oh. See. Oh, were you in the lobby? Did you rejoin? Probably not.
Yeah, I rejoined.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm
yeah, I
here.
did see you in there. I'm in a loading screen.
Yeah, I see that. I see that you're in the loading screen.
Interesting.
Oh, Black Ops 3 is currently downloading something. Did I not have the map?
Alright, well, I'm in the game. In the end game.
Hey, my bad. I might have just not had it. I don't. I thought I downloaded it for sure, but. Okay, whatever. This will take like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Anyways, you big Minecraft nerd. I have more hours of Minecraft than you do GD, so I can't check my Minecraft hours, but I would imagine that they're. Well, see, the thing is, there's no true metric for any of this stuff, because GD, like, probably 500 plus of my hours are AFK, and, you know, like, nothing has a good metric for that kind of stuff. But if I had to take a guess, I'd say across all versions of Minecraft, active time, I have more active time across all versions of Minecraft lifetime than I do on GD, or any other game for that matter, but I'm not sure, honestly.
I'm not sure where Minecraft would fall for me. Because across all versions, like, man, I played that a lot on mobile.
Played it on PC, did you say?
On mobile is like the main one that I don't even know how much I played.
Yeah, I know. I played it a decent amount on mobile before even touching it on PC.
Mm-hmm.
And I definitely played it a lot on PC. Definitely. And on Xbox too. I played so much Minecraft. I like Shadow sitting at the campfire. Yeah, I don't know what mine's downloading right now that it didn't supposedly have. I don't know if it's the map or the player thing. Might have to restart BO3 after this, I'm not sure.
I would imagine it would make you. I'm also a big vanilla survival.
I'm just a big Minecraft nerd. You can every aspect of the game I love.
I always wanted to do like custom survival, like
Skyblock and
yeah.
Survival Island and stuff like that. You've never done any of that.
No.
Oh man, dude, Skyblock back in the day, modded Skyblock even.
Like
Survival Ocean, Survival Island.
Watched a ton of that. I think that stuff interested me the most.
What, competitive Minecraft?
No, the survival stuff.
Okay.
The modded survival stuff.
Yeah. Have I shown you the adventure map I made?
No.
It's on the internet still. PlanetMinecraft.net. Chrome567. He's got a map. Still there.
He's got a map.
Completely. It's downloadable, dude. Crazy. Okay. Question is this loaded now, or am I gonna have to... Wait, let me restart my game here. BO3 gonna become my second most played Steam game soon.
How many hours do you have on it on Steam?
65.
What's your second
My second
most played game?
Is Brawlhalla with 73, I believe.
Are you serious?
Yeah? What do you mean, what? I like Brawlhalla.
I don't know, like I just feel like I would have expected you to have higher numbers on Steam for like just other games. I don't know.
I have a lot more indie games outside of Steam than I did. You don't realize how much, like, all the free games with their own clients are the things I have thousands of hours on. League of Legends is close to 1,000.
Mm-hmm.
Osu is over 1,000. GD is 1,000, but it's on Steam. GD is 3,500, but you know what I mean. I was just using that as a metric.
How many?
Minecraft is its
How
own
many
thing.
is your GD?
3,500, somewhere around there. It's like, yeah. See, I never watched competitive Minecraft. This is like the one thing I like never watched. Okay, mods. Loading.
200 hours in East 1, believe it or not. Yeah, my top 3 on Steam are all over 400.
I've got a lot of things between like the 30 or like the 20 and 60 range. I know that.
Seems like I get a lot of things. A decent chunk over 100. $8,900 hours to 195. Yeah. Yeah, like, whoa. So my top 10, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, my
7,
character's
8,
still not
9,
loading in,
10.
but
I have 11 games over 100 hours.
you have what?
11 games over 100 hours on Steam.
Okay.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah. It's just most of the games I play on Steam aren't like extra replayable.
Can you reshare your screen?
Oh yes, I can.
I think a lot of mine tend to be things that either like I played with someone else and played through solo, or I mean like Cookie Clicker's an idle game, so of course that's gonna have a lot. Roguelikes are gonna have a lot because they are replayable. Celeste exists.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean,
Oh,
just
you don't
like, I
have
don't know, a lot of this.
That's right. Your Celeste is Epic Games, right?
Yeah.
Does Epic Games show how
Yo,
many hours?
watching the font change.
You're Luigi!
Let's go. That's canon. You're Sonic, bro. Dude, it's so canon. Alright.
How much? 750?
My entrance. High round reach, round 97. YouTube at M9 Vendetta.
Dude, I didn't even expect the zombies.
Okay, you can vault this. That's what I was wondering. Dude, there's a vaulting noise! Oh no, I hit too many times. Yo, we're gonna get copyrighted, let's go.
What?
The Minecraft music.
Oh.
Actually, really
No
low.
enemy count.
Alright, it's only one way to go.
Was there an Easter egg for this? There was, right?
Yes. This had like a ton of stuff.
Dang, this even has like you can look at your weapon if you hold reload. Has that always?
Not seeing that one.
You don't have like the like
ain't doing
CS:GO
nothing for me.
style like look at your weapon?
No. No.
Dang.
You mean inspect?
Yeah. I don't know.
No.
No, not
The baby zombie.
baby
Good
zombies.
thing they're not faster.
That suck. What did you just had a zombie combat roll?
Dude, the Luigi noises. Dude, I just got zombie cash. Let's freaking go. That was huge. Did you hear that?
Yes. Which way to the box? This way?
I don't know. I'm just opening doors, bro. There's a ton of them.
Oh shoot, can we not get to the
I've
box
opened like
again?
40 doors.
Gotta go the other way. Nice.
Alright, I found an armor stand. I don't know if you saw that or not.
I did. It popped up.
Okay. Okay. You hold interact to inspect your weapon.
Dang, we need an axe to search that chest. Oh,
Yeah,
the
for
health!
me, it's press...
Dude, the health bar actually works.
Oh, wait, it does?
Yes, that's sick.
Okay, that's actually really nice to know. Okay.
That's a... Okay.
So this is just a big circle.
Nailed it.
I'm assuming you went a different direction than me, so you probably unlocked a whole bunch. Oh, there's a whole bunch of stuff up here. I see you. Faster health regen, speed boost on low health, and invincible while performing actions. Okay. Let's turn on the power first. Yeah, that's right. So there's potions in this that we can drink. Fell down the ladder? Question mark? Hello? The ladder keeps... Okay? I have ray gun? Revive me? Question mark?
Dude, you are across the map.
Well, okay, so you can climb this ladder, but it doesn't work?
Don't die.
I'm not. I have ray gun, though.
How'd you get Raycon?
You just have it when you're downed, I guess.
Oh.
Here, the box is a beacon. You probably already said that, but... Dude, this is so funny!
I'm back!
Okay, look at this.
Oh.
Okay, you have to press space. That's stupid.
For what? Oh, to get up?
Yeah, because I died because I was going up the ladder and it just freaking made me fall.
Yeah, so you've got a vault at the top. Interesting design choice.
Whoa. Okay. That's kind of dark. Okay, there's an ender portal that needs finished over here. I'm in a bad spot. In case I already wasn't. Stomping on these crops.
Let's do that again.
Huh? Oh! It slows time. Okay. Sheesh! Getting knives, ho. What's this?
That one
Infinite ammo.
I don't know if it's like... Oh, it is. It literally is infinite ammo. Awesome. Wish I had zombies. There's a full nether portal over here.
Oh, really?
Alright, time to see what I get from the mystery box.
The Minecraft music? Sheesh.
Great. The welling. Alright, well, let's...
I'm opening this door. Search chest. You need an axe to search, okay? I got flint and steel. Requires power, okay.
My iron golem statue is missing. Find it and I'll remove the barrier.
Where, Oh. I'll return the armor stand. I got a part. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, where is this, nether portal?
I think it's locked in. I don't think we have access to it.
No, okay, no, you can buy it. You can buy it. I got a flint and steel, though, so...
Oh, return the pickaxe. Got a
Okay,
pack
nice.
punch part.
Oh, crap. I'm gonna die. Oh. Oh, no way. Okay. The Minecraft music a little loud.
It's a decent volume for me. Oh, that's totally something. There's no way this is just for the site, even though the site's cool.
Oh, my bad.
That's alright.
I don't think there's anything in here though.
Oh, did you go? Yo, you did go in the house.
Let's get it right next time, okay?
Hey, my bad, Sonic.
Oh, there's something up there.
Requires power.
There's no way there's a
Fire.
Is there parkour in this?
Yeah, I need an axe to search all these chests.
Okay, maybe not.
Yeah, that's just gonna be another chest. Here, another portal. Dude, the sound effects are so loud.
Kind of fun to keep hitting these things.
See, now the rest of the game's too quiet.
Is there only one volume slider in this game?
No, but it's just like I usually never have to change that kind of stuff. I feel like I don't know.
Max ammo?
Yeah, you go for it.
Uh-oh.
The music is just like oppressively loud.
Sweet!
Oh,
Ah,
and they implemented the max ammo refills your weapon as well.
okay. Sound effects, cinematic. Okay, hopefully that's good now.
No problem. Shall we get going?
Okay, now the Minecraft music is too quiet. There we go. Alright. I think I'm finally good.
Alright.
Anyways, I'm gonna buy this nether portal.
Oh, okay. Want me to? I might as well.
I mean, I'm always the low kills guy, so I don't really matter to me. Alright, here we go. Oh, wow. Okay. I just fall off? Yeah, okay. Parkour going over there. As well as symmetrical. Alright, there is parkour. No.
Do you have any zombies?
No.
Okay, so I think this is the last one then.
First, you can't jump these. I don't know what you're supposed to do down there. Or at all.
Yeah.
Do I still have it? It might be on you. Nope, never
Yeah,
mind.
it's on me.
Oh, do you have one?
I saw one earlier, but don't kill.
Okay. That is weird that you can't jump on those.
My eyes be like, are you serious? No, I didn't die to the, no, I didn't die to the zombie, okay? Okay.
I'm laughing at my eyes be like, oh. It was just perfect timing.
Thanks.
Thanks.
That just really got me.
I died on the don't stand on the magma blocks. Alright, well, I don't see anything in here, so.
Interesting.
There's 2 entrances.
Ha!
I need an iron column. I need the power, actually.
Yeah, if we could find power, that'd be kind of good.
Can't go anywhere.
Was the magma block an insta-kill?
Okay, there are 2 zombies. I'm getting rid of this guy then. This guy's screwing me up. The other guy started running fast now. Never mind, didn't make a difference. I'm gonna be honest, like, normally fast zombies aren't that scary looking. Dude, the way the Minecraft texture makes them look, like, it's freaking terrifying.
They're like really going into the sprint.
Or I need to find an axe. Oh, I found the mystery box, hey.
Yeah. Oh wait, I can roll that again. I should probably do that.
Auger DMR.
I've got enough to open it. Did it just jump? Oh my gosh, this thing is chugging along.
Camping spot? Can I parkour this or something?
Feels like this guy's really fast.
Yeah, that's what I said. The other one was too, though. That's why I killed the other one, and then that guy turned fast. I was like, dang. I think it's just the animation.
Alright, time to hit the box, see what I get.
All right,
Grab.
seems simple enough.
Fall in that water. Okay.
Zombie maybe on you?
Yo, Minecraft mobs, I thought this was supposed to be realistic. Minecraft mobs cannot jump this.
Dude, what if there's spiders in a dog round?
It probably is, to be honest.
Faster health regen, speed boost on low health, and invincible while performing actions.
Yeah, all of those need power.
Did that one need power? I guess it did, yeah.
Yeah, I found another house, but...
Ha!
We still haven't even made it to the mine yet.
Oh wait, yeah, there probably is a mine, isn't there? Nice. Was that inside the house?
Yeah, it was inside this big, like, almost look apartment complex looking thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I need to get back to the original area so I can see where the mine's supposed to be or whatever.
I
It'd
do
be
like that
over
the,
all the butterfly.
The inventory's just like always shown.
Hey, another part?
Is that the last part for the peck punch?
Is that what it's supposed to be?
Well, what were the other parts you got? Oh, yeah, we do.
Oh,
yeah.
it is a pack-a-punch that I wasn't even tabbing, to be honest with you.
I just the part I had gotten was like the top of the pack punch, so I knew.
Yeah, okay, yeah. The other two that I got have not looked like that.
And then still need to get that. Oh yeah, there's
Yeah, I went this way.
whole second half of the map.
Where did you go?
I'm back at the start. There's a whole nother half
Yeah.
if we unlock the other way, but it costs money.
Okay, yeah. The
So
thing is, I don't know where that is.
right here.
Okay.
I'd say you're good to kill it.
Oh wow, it is a whole, like, legit whole side. What about down here? Weren't these barriers down here too?
I don't think you can.
Yeah, open them. Maybe we need like a boat or something.
Yeah, I'm thinking that's gonna be unlocked through other means. I'm gonna continue to be Rick Grimes here.
Killer bunnies and talk around. Yeah. Alright. I just got a power emerald. I think that's for Sonic, not me, but sure. I don't know what I did, other than just get a headshot. Yo, headshots be free in this.
I know. You say that I
don't-
missed one because the whole head isn't the head hitbox.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can in fact shoot too high.
Bonus.
No!
I really like when that happens.
No, I don't.
It's a hoe, but
Sonic.
not an axe. And I'm not talking about a person, I mean like there's actually a hoe. Rip Shidori died by lack of sunlight. There's just 2 barriers here because screw you.
Another portal had that too.
Yeah, but they're stacked on top of each other?
Oh. Yeah, no, it didn't have that.
Hit 50 kills in the nether. Hold F to start challenge. Challenge in progress. See you later. Whoa.
Ooh. Baby zombies are still horrible.
Yeah, I don't think I've, like, missed a headshot. I'm going to the nether to do this challenge.
Alright, might as well join.
I'm freaking drag scoping these zombies right now. Kind of fun. I like this weapon.
Not sure I can carry all these rings.
This area is massive.
Mm-hmm. Do you have any that you see?
No.
I don't have any here. Oh, wait, I hear them. Dang, I should have checked how many kills I was at. Let's see, 60 and 38. So we're at 98. I'd assume we had at least 10 kills.
Oh, almost died. Holy crap, that was terrifying. Dude, this is like free headshots.
It is definitely much easier. What is that?
Unless I get a kill and I don't get a headshot. But I'm
I
pretty
got
sure the
Nether
red
Pearl.
huge.
Bro, no way.
Got a blaze rod.
Nice. Bro, you know what that means.
You know, it's time to go to the end, baby.
I think we're ready. 2 blaze rods, okay. Zombie cash.
Okay, it is actually like resources, so we're probably gonna have to spend a lot of time here.
We are... Well, we were at 98, now we're at 130. So it's 30,
Huh?
we're probably at like 45 kills in the nether.
Is it for both of us, you think, or just me?
It showed in progress when I went to see.
Okay.
Not gonna grab that news. Bro, baby
grab it?
zombies. Oh, cool.
Alright, nice.
So yes, it is both of us. Nice. Dang. Okay, so if one person's in the, what's it called? In the nether animation, the portal animation, the other can't enter yet.
Okay, good to know.
Also, thank you for the good RNG. I appreciate it. Hope you're doing well. I know
Me running around forever trying to figure out where the heck I'm going.
I know I don't stream as often, but still always nice seeing the old regulars. I'll let you open it.
Oh, it's just a max.
Oh, okay. Okay, it does.
Okay, open both of those. That's good.
Probably just like you can. I don't know why they would double. 500. Yeah, I'll open this out.
Campfire. I've got a flint and steel.
Rip
Okay.
Moteco equals skill issue. We got the axe.
Mine entrance this way.
Got Simtex here. Oh,
Let's
no,
turn
that's
on the power
friends.
first. Deadshot daiquiri. Okay, not doing that. Makes players crosshairs, blah blah blah. Need an axe to search. Literally, I just got it.
Is that a per person thing like the shovel?
Seems so.
Gonna head back to the first half. Oh wait, no, this had.
These guys are actually slow this time. Thank freaking goodness.
Got the diamond axe.
Bro's upgrading?
I guess so. Damn. That's
Bro,
wild.
where?
Oh, diamond axe was like a quest item. It looks like.
Yeah, it's crazy. I've opened just about every door in existence, and I still can't find this mine entrance.
All right, that sucks.
Alright.
That was awesome.
No, Sonic, that was not awesome.
Additional parts required. Okay, so I can craft this crafting table. Alright, there's a flint and steel on me. And I'm assuming you don't have one then, since you can pick another one up?
Correct.
Okay. It is, near spawn. That's all I can really say. It's just in one of the buildings. I don't...
Okay.
I'm gonna head to the mine entrance. I don't know if you've been over there or what.
No, I went back to the first half to check chests. I say the first half, that's just the half we win to first. Or infinite ammo.
Yeah, I saw that. It's actually super useful for where I'm at right now.
Oh my gosh, I just got comboed real hard over here.
Where? Oh boy. Okay. I'm afraid.
Yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo.
I still don't have an axe. The torch floating on this wall. Huh. Alright, so mine entrance. Got any ideas?
Wait, was it not over there?
I still have not found it.
Dang.
I keep saying this way and I'm not seeing it.
None of those are searchable chests.
I'm impressed I can't set that on fire with the flint steel. Do I need to knife it? No, okay.
Whoa, what is this?
I shoot it? Okay.
Okay, we can't enter the mansion yet.
There's a piece of bedrock here?
I just got flat points
Interesting.
from that house.
This looks like something you would do for an Easter egg, but it's not anything.
Well, to be fair, a lot of Easter egg stuff tends to happen after turning on power.
Well, no, I mean like a music Easter egg or something.
Oh, okay.
Tell you what, man, if I were the mine entrance, where would I be?
This is the last zombie.
See it. Oh man, okay.
Wait, took 500 points. Did someone steal it from me?
Yeah.
Invincibility for a minute.
I need an axe to search. Oh my gosh. I mean, what have you been getting from them?
Perks or points.
Okay.
Or like like this double points, the nuke. The diamond axe item was one of them. It's nothing like great. Dog round?
The heck was that? Holy crap! Holy crap!
What?
Dude, this guy's freaking not taking damage! Holy crap!
Oh no, did we get a boss spawn?
Yes, I don't even know what it is. Maybe it's supposed to be the warden. Insta kill? Die? Nope, doesn't die. I killed him. Holy crap.
Nice.
Let's freaking go. I don't know what that is. It does not look like the warden at all.
Bro, I don't know where any enemies are to utilize this.
Lights out.
It's a mystery box. Don't need that. I just need to find the mine.
Uh-oh.
Just in time.
I sure could use it.
There is nothing. There is literally nothing.
Alright, I've got to search this other half. That was not a vanilla mob. Enchanted Ettermit or something.
Yeah, I don't know, it was real skeleton-y. I don't know. I am running in freaking circles. Alright. Circles by Nevan reference, by the way.
Mine entrance this way. Okay. I'm sure you saw that already.
Uh-huh.
1.25 times health. 1500 to clear debris.
Where?
What's going on? I don't know what debris got. cleared.
Whoa, that
Oh.
was lag.
Oh, shoot.
That was
Shoot.
lag.
Shoot.
This is bad. Real bad.
I should've
Nice.
shot that last one. Oh, that sucks.
hmm
I saw you die. I was like, wait, where did he even come from? I was
Yeah,
like,
no,
need to run.
I got a little bit of lag there. Because, like, he was in front of me, he was at the top of the stairs, and I was like, alright, I'll just back up a little bit, and then...
I thought
bro
he was
kinda-
still across the map. I got a Luigi jump scare. Alright,
My bad.
we go right back in.
I was
Um,
gonna say we don't.
Oh. Oh, I didn't look at that.
I don't think we're gonna be able to figure it out and complete it
That's
in
true.
less than an hour. And I'd like to probably stop at like 12:30 or so
Okay.
my time. That's okay.
Ski resort attempt?
We could either do that or we could do SM74.
It's up to you.
Dude, Luigi is not holding the can. Bro, you can't look at me like this. Um. I'm kind of feeling the SM74 if you want me to be honest.
Okay.
But if you'd like to stay on theme, I'm completely okay with that.
No, we can switch.
It's a bit of a cooldown.
More Minecraft later. As in next week.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a next time we play this. Very likely next week.